variety of mangoes, and a distinctive flavor to each one of it. And most importantly, every dish prepared with it is not just tasty but also filled with a lot of memories. Therefore, in this episode, let us learn to prepare a Mangalorean and a Konkani household dish which is a little sour, a little sweet, and a little spicy, and it is called Ambe Upkari. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. Mangoes required to prepare Ambe Upkari is a wild grown variety of mangoes called Sakre Gutti in Kannada and Goint Ambo in Konkani language. The reason behind the taste of Ambe Upkari prepared with these is because of the extreme fibrous nature of these mangoes. And by the way, here we have taken 10 sugar guttis for the recipe. The first stage in the preparation is to peel the skin of the mangoes and not to discard the peeled skin yet. We'll soon share the reason behind not discarding the skin. And also, let us transfer all the peeled mangoes into a saucepan or a heavy bottomed vessel. And it is now time for the peeled skin. As these have a lot of taste and flavor hidden in them, let us add some water, squeeze them thoroughly, and extract the pulp and flavors from it. It is a humble request from us to not skip this step because it does make a difference to the flavors of the recipe. And it is now time to add this extract to the saucepan. After adding the extract, let us squeeze the sugar guttis thoroughly and extract the pulp from it. After squeezing out the pulp thoroughly, it is time to add water. For this recipe of about 10 sugar guttis, we are adding 1 liter of water. After adding the water, taste the mixture and then add jaggery as needed to balance the sourness. The idea behind adding jaggery is also to caramelize and thicken the mixture. After balancing the sweetness with jaggery, the next ingredient is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste. As we have mentioned earlier, Ambe Upkari is also a little spicy. So here we are adding 6 green chilies which have been slit. After giving a good mix to all these ingredients, it is time to place this on a stove top and bring this mixture to a boil. When the mixture comes to a good boil, it is time for our next step, and that is adding the tempering for our Ambe Upkari. So here in a tempering pan, we are adding about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And by the way, coconut oil is a best choice for the tempering of Ambe Upkari. And now let us add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the hot oil. When the mustard starts to splutter, the next in the list is curry leaves. Let us add the curry leaves, and when it turns crispy and crunchy, it is time to add the tempering to our Ambe Upkari. For the one last time, let us allow this mixture to come to a boil. Ambe Upkari is not just coming to a boil, It is also filling the kitchen with its aroma. So now it is time to turn off the flames. This is it, my dear friends. A little sour, a little sweet, a little spicy, very tasty, Mangalore style dish prepared in the Konkani households, Ambe Upkari is ready. If you liked the recipe, do make this at your home and enjoy the bliss of the dish. And if you liked the episode, do like this video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.